This right here is my Ademco 702 electronic siren, and as you can see, it's basically the next step up from your average indoor siren. So today we're going to look at this unit a little bit more. This siren is 110 decibels, which is very loud, louder than your average fire alarm. And it has two tones. One of them is like a fast whoop and the other is steady, as you can see written on the back. It's also made in Taiwan, which is just, I guess, a fun fact. And it's meant for outdoor use, but also can be used on the indoors if there's a large enough area. This siren can be used for a lot of different notification, but I find it's most commonly used on security systems. They put this on the outside of buildings, and if there's a security alarm, this alarm will go off, and that will let everyone know on the exterior of the building, hey, someone might be robbing this building, or whatever the alarm tripped for. As you can see down here, it can be mounted on a lot of different surfaces, and it can be adjusted to however you would like. It can also be upside down. As you can see, it can kind of be adjusted to wherever you want the sound to go. This alarm's extremely easy to wire up. There's only 3 wires, and you only use 2 of them, obviously. There's one negative, and then there's 2 positives. There's one red positive, and there's one yellow positive. And you either wire up the red or the yellow, depending on which tone you want to hear when the alarm goes off. Alright, here's my other siren that's already installed, and if you haven't seen the video I've made on this one, definitely go check it out. And today I'm going to go ahead and give a test of both tones so that you can hear what both tones sound like. And just so you know, the siren runs on 6 to 12 volts DC. So the siren's wired into this wireless remote switch, as you can see here, and it is mounted all the way in the air vent at the top of that garage right there. I'm going to demonstrate both tones so you can hear what it sounds like, and I'm also really far away right now so you can hear just how loud it really is. Alright, this is going to be a test of the fast whoop tone. Here we go, in 3, 2, 1. Alright, I've gone ahead and changed the tone. This is going to be a test of the steady tone. In 3, 2, 1. And that's it. I can zoom all the way out. And here's the siren. Thank you for watching this video. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Definitely go check out the other video I made on this siren, and have a nice day, everyone.